शूटिंग के वक्त रिया शर्मा को कौन सी मुश्किलों का सामना करना पड़ता है, जानने के लिए इस वीडियो को देखें। Pushing her boundaries like never before is Riya Sharma, who is currently seen playing the role of Mishti in the show ये रिश्ते हैं प्यार के। The show currently focuses on Mishti, aka Riya, undergoing post-traumatic stress disorder, which involves a lot of emotional taxing scenes. In an exclusive chat, it was asked Riya about her first day on set. How has the new normal been treating her, performing scenes highlighting PTSD and the pressure of TRP? She answered, on the first day, each and every artist was briefed about the new normal on the set, what kind of precautions they will be taking, and many other things. Basically, they assured us that all safety measures are being taken. The first day was very difficult for us because there were so many changes, right? We had to take care of having minimalistic contact with anyone, so we were trying to do whatever we can by ourselves. Be it the touch-up, the attempt is to manage it if possible on our own. We were happy to meet after so long. Of course, we are a little scared too, but also glad that the work has started. Anyway, they say the show must go on. When questioned right after the break, you have had to perform some really emotionally taxing scenes. What was her reaction when told of this new track? She answered, I was very excited because I had always wanted to do something like this because it is very challenging as well as exciting to perform. Each day I am getting to do something new and show this vulnerable side to Mishti which the audience has never seen before. As an actor, I had not played such a role before, so I was thrilled. Scenes where I am having a panic attack or which triggers Mishti, we work a lot on it. My director Ashish sir and I sit and discuss how we can bring the emotions out realistically and convincingly. I am hoping the audience likes it. When questioned, people are applauding you for your performance. Have you managed to look at the response you have been getting? She answered, I'm actually reading and following the trend online and I am very happy. It really motivates me, the kind of feedback I am getting on social media. It makes me feel that my performance is reaching people and tugging the people's heart. It is not easy to make people feel the pain you are going through as a character, and I am able to do that. My work is done. My family was stunned and impressed with my performance. They are all seeing me to do that for the first time. When questioned, such scenes can be little taxing. She answered, it is very taxing actually. Most of the time I am in that zone on the set. When other actors and I sit together during the break time or in between shots, I try and remain in the zone so I can be honest with my performance and be in that zone. So it is a little stressful because you have to become that person. When questioned, while fans are obviously loving it, a few expressed concern and hoped the PTSD is represented sensitively. She answered, in these times, mental health is as important as physical health, and if someone is going through any illness whatsoever, they should seek help. Just like any other illness, it is difficult to come out of it, as shown in the case of Mishti, who is dealing with it. It can happen to anyone. I think the creatives, the writers are keeping that in mind. They will be handling it sensitively only, I am sure. When questioned, how is the synergy on set? Do you discuss everything with co-stars because it is a give and take relationship? She answered, yes, we discuss all our scenes with Meenakshi ji, that is Rupal Patel, with Shahir Sheikh, and I think my director is always there for me. He is always supportive. It is something new for our show. Also, we have always been romancing, so now we try to justify the performance and script. When questioned, are you feeling the pressure of TRP given that it's relaunched after an unprecedented 3 months break? She answered, honestly yes. We all are a little under pressure because 3 months is a long gap. To get back the audience and love again, it is almost like a new launch. So everyone is working really hard. Let's see what the TRP comes. When questioned, what about the time slot revision? Are you happy? She answered, to be honest, I was happy when I learned our show is 9 PM, but 10 PM was also a lucky slot. We are hoping it will work wonders for us. आपकी इस वीडियो के बारे में क्या राय है? लिख भेजिए हमें कमेंट सेक्शंस में। इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। मनोरंजन जगत की सारी न्यूज़ और अपडेट से जुड़े रहने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें टेली चक्कर को।
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechuckers YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.